Hey there, it's Darl and welcome to Automatic Business. In this video, I am going to show you how to import contacts in Go High Level, which is recommended when you're migrating contacts from your old CRM. But if you're new to this and you already have a spreadsheet of leads, you can upload them all at once instead of typing them one by one. Let me quickly show you. So on your left hand menu, click Contacts, click Import Contacts right there, click Next. And here is where we will upload the CSV file. Now, let me quickly show you a sample so you see how it works. Let's wait for it to load. Go High Level will ask you to match your columns or your files columns with its contact fields. As you can see here, we have first name, last name, email, phone, company, address, city, state, postal code. Make sure that you use this correct format on your CSV files to ensure that there will be no errors in the bulk import. Now, once everything matches, just click import and all of these contacts will appear instantly on your list. So let's try and do that. Let me just go quickly and drag and drop this file right here. Click next. Next. And then there is another option for you to rename your list so you can easily see it in your contacts. Let me just try and see migration of contacts. Yeah, let me just rename it migration of contacts so I could just easily check it out and go high level. When I'm happy, I'll just click that box right there and click on Start Bulk Import. Now you would easily know the status of this bulk import by clicking on bulk actions right there. And okay. So it says here that all of the contacts from that CSV file that I've just uploaded have been imported successfully. You can see there, success, 100%, no errors. And that's because I have used that format that I've shown you earlier on my CSV file. And then there you go. All the contacts have now been uploaded. That's how easy it is to do bulk imports in Go High Level. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.